Welcome back to online classes of Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School. Students, today we will do Class 1 EVS, Chapter number 16, Our Classroom. Our Classroom. So students, we will study in this about the our classrooms. Let us read this chapter. Our school has many classrooms. I sit in class 1. We learn to read, write, draw and do sums in our class. Students, our school, you already know your school name na? Yes, you read in Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School. And in which class do you read? Yes, you read in first class. Okay, in your school, students, there are many classrooms and you sit in the class 1. Now, and what do we do in the class? Yes, we learn read. Your ma'am teaches to how to read, write, draw and do sums in our class. In our class, we learn so many things. We learn the how to read, how to write, how to draw, how to do sums and also we learn the good manners in our school. There is a big table and chair for our teacher. You can see here this is a picture of classroom and there is a big table, students. There is a big table and the chair for our teacher. Teacher for the teacher, table is there and the chair is there and we use small tables and chair and the students uses small tables and the chair. You can see clearly in the picture students are studying in the classroom and sitting on the small tables and the chairs. Okay, there is a blackboard in our classroom. You can see now in your classroom there is a blackboard and our teacher writes and draw it with a chalk and the teacher uses the blackboard. How? With the help of chalk he or she writes on the blackboard and with the duster he used to rub the blackboard. There is a display board as well in our classroom. There is a display board also, students. Our work is displayed on this board and the work is displayed on this display board. There is a cupboard for the keeping books and the pencils. There is a students in our class in the classroom. There is a cupboard also or almirahs also small in which what is kept? Yes, books or pencils are kept in the cupboard. Our classroom has pictures and maps on its wall. In the classroom on the walls we can see the pictures and the maps. And our classroom is bright and airy. And your classroom is bright and airy. Why? Because it has the windows, proper windows and the doors. We throw waste paper in the dustbin. We keep our classroom clean. Students, where should we throw the waste paper? Yes, keep in mind we should throw the waste paper in the dustbin. So in the classroom there is also dustbin where we throw the waste paper and also we throw the pencil savings. Now we should keep in mind we should keep our classroom clean. Keep our classroom clean. Throwing waste paper in the dustbin, it's a good habit. You can see here in the picture one student is throwing the waste paper in the dustbin. It's time to do exercise. Practice exercise section A. Tick the correct answers. You have to tick the correct answers. Our teacher writes and draws where our teacher writes and draws? Yes, chair, blackboard, display board. On the blackboard. board. The students in the classroom sit on the, where the student in the classroom sit? Yes, chairs. Dustbins and windows. Tick in front of chairs. Match the following correctly. Read the sentence and match with correct. Waste paper match with dustbin, because we should throw the waste paper in the dustbin. Next is blackboard. Blackboard match with chalk, because we write on the blackboard with chalk. Teacher uses chalk to write on the blackboard. Big table is for the teacher, and the small table and chair is for the student. Now tick the correct statement and cross the wrong ones. You have to tick the correct statement and cross the wrong one. We learn to play guitar in the class? No. We listen carefully to what our teacher tells us? Yes, we should listen carefully what our teacher tells us. Next is practice exercise section B. Tick the correct answers. We keep our classroom dirty, clean and in our bag. Clean. The teacher writes with a student. The teacher writes with the chalk. Mohan always throw waste paper and wrappers of food items here and there in the class. Is he doing the right thing? Yes, no, or what? Student, it's a bad thing. We should not throw the waste paper here and there. We should throw the wastage paper in the dustbin. Fill in the blanks with the words given below. Here some words are given. With the help of words, you have to fill in the blanks. The children's work is displayed. The children's work is displayed on a display board. On the display board, children's work is shown. The children's books and pencils are kept in a where students? In a cupboard. We learn to read, write and do sums in our class. We learn to read, write and do. Next is we throw waste paper in the dustbin. Name the things you see in the following pictures of a classroom. Students, you have to name the things that you see in the classroom. Okay, see what is students? Cupboard. Cupboard is used to keep the books, pencils. Okay, right here the cupboard. Now see on the second picture. These are the books. So write on the second books. Third one is window. Window, student, for air and ventilation. So write down the window. Next is student, number 4 is where? Yeah, dustbin. We should throw the waste paper in the dustbin. Next is bench. Number 5 is students, bench. Okay, desk, bench. Students sit on the desk or the bench. So write on the number bench. Number 6 students, table. Table is used by the teacher. Big table. Write there, table. Next is student, chair. So write here, chair on the number 7. Next is student, this is the blackboard. And who uses the blackboard? Teacher. Teacher use the blackboard. Our teacher use the blackboard to write. Next student, it's time to do the difficult words. School, SCHOOL. Classroom, CLASSROOM. Write, WRITE. Draw, DRAW. Table, TABLE. Chair, CHAIR. Teacher, TEACHER. Blackboard, BLACKBOARD. Display board, DISPLAYBOARD. Cupboard, CUPBOARD. Bright, BRIGHT. Picture, PICTURE. Airy, AIRY. Waste, WASTE. paper paper, dustbin dustbin, clean clean, throwing throw-wing, pencil pencil, learn learn, read read, sit sit. Now we will do question answer related to this chapter. Name any 5 things that you see in your classroom. Student, what you can see in your classroom? Blackboard, cupboard, display board, table, chair. Okay, now how many periods do you have in a day? Students, how many periods do you have a day in your class, in your school? Yes, we have 8 periods in a day. What is used to clean the blackboard? What is used to clean the blackboard? Yes, duster. Chalk is used to write on the blackboard and duster is used to clean on the blackboard. Next question, where should we throw waste paper? We should throw waste paper in the dustbin. What do we learn in our class? We learn to read, write and do sums in our class. Students, we learn to so many things. Read, learn, draw and do sums, and also we learn the good manners in our class. So okay students, today's your work is to revise this chapter with the help of video. See you again in next video. Bye bye.